Hello, welcome to our channel. February 3rd, 2023. Danger of extreme weather. Temperatures across the Northeast plummeted and wind speeds crept upward on Friday, as the region prepared for some of the coldest wind chills in decades. If there was a bit of cold comfort for residents who had to be outside in the harsh conditions, it was this. At least they weren't atop Mount Washington, in New Hampshire, the region's highest peak, where the temperature was already minus 37 degrees Fahrenheit as of Friday afternoon and expected to drop to minus 46. High winds of 98 miles per hour were making the temperature feel like minus 94. Temperatures and wind speeds were expected to break records across the region. By late afternoon, it was 19 degrees Fahrenheit in New York City, 13 in Hartford, and minus 1 in Concord, New Hampshire, with the wind making it feel dramatically colder everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe for news developments, so new and current developments for now. Thank you for listening to me. See you later.